Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your tax return status in Taxpayer Advocate Service system, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your tax return status in the Taxpayer Advocate Service system, begin by visiting the official IRS website. Locate the Taxpayer Advocate Service section. Click on the link that directs you to the online status update tool. If prompted, enter your personal information as required. This typically includes your name, social security number, and filing status. After entering your details, click on the Submit button. Wait for the system to process your request. Once processed, you will see your current tax return status displayed on the screen. If you need to make any corrections, follow the prompts provided by the tool. For further assistance, consider calling the Taxpayer Advocate Service hotline. Have your information ready when calling for a quicker response? If necessary, follow up on your case by checking the status again in a few days. Remember, accuracy in your information is crucial for a successful update. Stay informed about your rights as a taxpayer throughout this process. Keep all relevant documents at hand to facilitate any inquiries you might have. It's important to regularly check your status until your issue is resolved. Make sure to document any communication for future reference. This will help ensure a smooth experience with the Taxpayer Advocate Service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.